Hey guys, I just want to tell you a little bit about my new company, Noxie Herbs, and I'm so thrilled to talk to you about this because I have been working on this for over a year now, and it truly is not just another supplement line. It is a one-of-a-kind modular system designed to help support women at every stage of life, from the teenage years through menopause. So at Noxie Herbs, we have harnessed the power of Chinese medicine to create formulas that are tailored to your unique needs. Whether you're dealing with hormonal changes, menstrual irregularities, or the challenges of menopause, our formulas are crafted to help you find balance and vitality. The best part, our system is modular, meaning that you can customize it to fit your specific health goals. Each formula is designed to work synergistically so you can build a regimen that evolves with you. Go to noxieherbs.com, take the free quiz, find out what we recommend that you take to support your unique hormonal needs, and get going. Let me tell you, this has already changed my life as a 41-year-old woman who is starting to approach perimenopause or maybe in perimenopause. This has totally shifted my cycle and my hormones, and I am so much happier for it. I know you will be too. Feel free to hit me up with any questions and go check it out now. Hey guys, it's Dr. Chloe, and you're listening to the Radical Remedy Podcast. So one of my favorite quotes is, if you want to go fast, go alone. And if you want to go far, go together. And that's one of the things that keeps me coming back to do this podcast. And that's one of the things that I really think about when I think about why I'm doing this. And so the goal here is really to help myself and others build health within our homes so that we can expand health within our communities. And I don't know about you, but I'm absolutely terrified of the trajectory of health in our society. And I want to do everything that I can to help leave this world a kinder, healthier, and happier place. And in order to do that, we need to work together. So if you haven't heard, we recently launched a community in school. It's absolutely free for right now, but we might charge in the future, mainly because I find that people don't value what they get for free a lot of the time. But I really want to get as many people in for free as possible. So please go and sign up, share with any of your friends who you think might be interested. I've gotten to know a lot of you guys who are in this community, who are listening to the podcast, who are working so hard to build health for your families. And I'm so excited to have a way to support you guys more intimately. So I also have a couple of courses that I'll be launching in there. Those will all be free. We're going to start doing a weekly Zoom so that I can answer any questions that you guys have. If I have answers to those questions, if I don't, I'm quite a nerd, so I will happily try and find answers to those questions. I'll likely start having guests from the podcast come in and chat with you guys directly so you can ask them your questions. And we're also going to be launching an elimination diet and then a parasite cleanse in the middle of September. So if you didn't listen to Dr. Kristen's last episode, go back and listen to it now. That one was absolutely epic. She is the queen of down-to-earth health advice and one of the best doctors I've ever met. Truly, I really, really adore Dr. Kristen. She's one of my heroes. But an elimination diet is one of the first steps that I normally do with my patients because it's free, it's really accessible, and it's really palpable. You know, we have so much of our immune system and our health is centered in our gut. And so often we're eating things that we don't even realize are really impacting our health and our wellness day to day. And so when you do the elimination diet and you bring back the foods in after a couple of weeks, you're really able to feel the difference. And that can make such dramatic changes in your health. Following the elimination diet, we're going to do a parasite cleanse. And I absolutely hate doing parasite cleanses all day, every day. They gross me out. You guys will see, I'll be freaking out. It'll be a thing. I get really bad headaches, but we're going to do it together. So part of this is so I can support you through this. Part of this is also you guys can hold me accountable while I do this with me and Remy. So let's do this together. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to start building health and we're going to start building community. We're going to do it together. So please sign up for the link in the bio. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm super excited about this. It's such an honor to get to know you guys more. I absolutely adore it, and it means the world to me. And the better I get to know you guys, the better I can figure out how I can best support you, because I'm sort of stumbling along this path, just trying to do whatever part I can that is actually in any way helpful for anyone whatsoever. You know what I mean? Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you in school.
Thank you for listening to the Radical Remedy Podcast. The Radical Remedy Podcast is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute the practice of medicine, nursing or other professional healthcare services, including the giving of medical advice, and no doctor/patient relationship is formed. The use of information on this podcast or materials linked from this podcast is at the user's own risk. The content of this podcast is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Users should not disregard or delay in obtaining medical advice for any medical condition they may have and should seek the assistance of their healthcare professionals for any such conditions.